Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious scrambled eggs using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs per person, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for richness, and a small amount of butter or oil for cooking. Don't forget salt and black pepper to season your eggs perfectly. Now, let's prepare the egg mixture. Crack your eggs into a medium-sized bowl, then add your 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. Whisk everything together vigorously until the yolks and whites are completely combined and the mixture is a uniform color. Finally, season the mixture lightly with salt and pepper before cooking. It's time to cook. Place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Melt about 1/2 tablespoon of butter or a little oil in the pan, ensuring it coats the bottom. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue to fold and stir the eggs until they are just set but still look slightly moist. Remove the pan from the heat immediately. Serve your perfect scrambled eggs right away for the best texture, perhaps garnished with some fresh herbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.